Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can change your Google Play Store country or region without adding any payment method. If you have been struggling with this video is just for you. Before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel Zonic Tag and turn on notification so you never miss any of my upcoming helpful video. Now let's begin. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Then tap on profile icon. After that, click on manage Google account. Now go to the settings tab, tap on general, then select account and device preferences. Here you will find the country and profile section. From here you can change your Play Store country if the option is available. You can also tap on learn more to get additional details. As you can see, Google allows you to change your country only once every 90 days. So you keep that in mind. And that's it. How you can change your Play Store country without adding a payment method using simple settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Zonic Tag for more useful tag tutorials. Thanks for watching.